In today's episode of What's for Dinner, I'm going to attempt to make a cast iron skillet pizza. Now, I have a viewer who's told me several times that I really need to try this. So, I don't know how it's going to turn out. It may be a total flop, but I did want to give it a shot and see how it does. I didn't do any research on this. I'm just going to be making it the way he told me to make it. I'll be cooking it in my Oster French door air fryer oven, and I have that heating up to 400 degrees right now. It's going to be a pretty simple pizza. I've got some of this refrigerated pizza crust, pepperoni, Italian sausage, mozzarella, and pizza sauce. So first, let me open up this pizza dough, and I don't think I've ever used this before. I do have a few videos of different pizzas on my channel, but usually I was just buying the pre-made pizza crust, and in a few of them I made a homemade crust. Okay, I think I need to put a little oil in this skillet first. Or at least that's what I was told to do. I do remember him telling me I needed to kind of stretch this out a little bit, and well, I'm making quite the mess here. He also told me that I needed to leave it out for about 15 minutes before I did the stretching out here, and it was out. It was actually probably out for about 25 minutes. Okay, I've been working the dough for about a minute and a half, trying to bring it up kind of high on the sides of the cast iron skillet, and I'm not really sure if this is high enough or not, but I'm gonna roll with it. So first I'll put on some of my pizza sauce. Next I'll put on some mozzarella. Okay, looks like enough mozzarella cheese, and next I'll put on my pepperoni and then my sausage. I was actually going to put some onions on here, and I've kind of got a lot of stuff going on, and I completely forgot to cut any onions up. Okay, let me adjust the time down to about 12 minutes. Alright. The pizza's been cooking about 6 minutes. Seems to be coming along pretty good so far. The timer's down to about 30 seconds left, but I don't think the pizza's really ready to come out yet. And if I remember correctly, he told me between, I think, 10 and 15 minutes. So I'm going to set this timer up for another couple minutes, maybe another 3 minutes, and see if that'll do it. Okay, the time is almost up, so the pizza's been in there about 15 minutes. I can't tell if the crust is done yet or not, so I'm going to go ahead and pull it out, and I'll check it. Okay, let me see if this crust is done. Alright, it feels done, at least here on the top. And I couldn't really tell when it was in the oven if the crust was done or not. So next, let me check the bottom of it. Make sure it's not too doughy. No, it's definitely not a crispy crust. Now for me, I don't really have a preference one way or the other. And since this is more of a deep dish style pizza, I don't really expect the crust to be very crispy. I just want to make sure it's done and not too doughy. And from what I can tell, it does appear that it's done. So I'm going to give this a few minutes to cool off. Okay, I think my pizza's probably cooled off enough that I can slice it and pull a piece out for a little bit better look. Okay, I want to check the dough again just to make sure it is all the way done. And it is. So there's a little look at one of the slices from my very first, and apparently, from what I can tell without tasting it, successful cast iron skillet pizza. And I know these are a thing because I've heard about them before, but I guess I'm kind of glad that I was finally pressured into making one of these because it does look really good. Okay, it's really good. Typically, if I'm getting pizzas from one of the normal pizza places, I usually go for a thin crust. It's not that I don't like thick crust, but thin crust is usually just my preference. But I think I'll make an exception for this deep dish style pizza. As I said earlier, I don't think I've ever used the refrigerated pizza dough before, but I like it a whole lot better than I think any of the other pre-made crusts that I've tried that you buy off the shelf. As a matter of fact, I think that I like this pizza so much that it may go into the regular rotation of things that I cook. So that's going to do it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. As always, I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video.